Did you know that cloves can transform your life and attract abundance? Let's start with the basics. Cloves, those small, aromatic flower buds we often use in cooking, have a rich history that extends far beyond their culinary uses. For centuries, these potent little buds have been revered in various cultures for their spiritual properties. They're not just for flavoring your holiday ham or spicing up your chai latte. Cloves have been believed to possess energies that can influence prosperity, offer protection, and enhance overall well-being. But why cloves? And why specifically 3 of them? How did these small, fragrant buds come to be associated with wealth and abundance? To understand this, we need to take a quick trip through history. The historical significance of cloves. To truly understand the power of cloves, we need to take a quick trip back in time. In ancient civilizations, cloves were highly prized, and not just for their flavor. In fact, they were so valuable that they were sometimes used as currency. Imagine that, a spice so precious it could buy you goods and services. In ancient China, as far back as 200 BCE, cloves were a symbol of status and wealth. They were often reserved for the emperor and his court. The Chinese believed that cloves had the power to ward off evil spirits and purify spaces. Talk about a multitasking spice. Meanwhile, in India, cloves have been an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. They're used in various spiritual rituals, often burned as incense to cleanse spaces, enhance meditation, and invite positive energies. The strong, sweet scent of cloves is believed to uplift the spirit and create a protective barrier against negative influences. Even the ancient Egyptians got in on the clove action. They used cloves in their embalming processes, believing that the spice's potent fragrance and preservative qualities could aid in the transition to the afterlife. Cloves were placed in tombs to honor the dead and protect them from malevolent spirits. The Greeks and Romans weren't left out either. In Greek mythology, cloves were associated with love and beauty, often used in rituals to invoke the favor of the gods and goddesses. The Romans valued cloves for their ability to purify the air and ward off illness. The science behind cloves. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but what does science have to say about this? Well, buckle up, because we're about to get a little nerdy. Cloves are packed with bioactive compounds, the most notable of which is eugenol. This compound is responsible for the distinctive aroma and many of the medicinal properties of cloves. Eugenol possesses antiseptic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties, making cloves effective in treating various ailments. The antimicrobial properties of cloves are well documented. Studies have shown that clove oil can inhibit the growth of a wide range of bacteria and fungi. This antimicrobial action can contribute to the clove's ability to purify environments and protect against diseases, reinforcing the belief that cloves can ward off negative energies and maintain a healthy, positive atmosphere. But what about their ability to attract wealth? Well, that's where things get interesting. The aromatic qualities of cloves are central to their energetic properties. In aromatherapy, the practice of using essential oils from plants for therapeutic purposes, certain scents are believed to influence mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. The strong, warm scent of cloves is known to invigorate the mind, boost mood, and increase alertness. These effects can create a positive environment conducive to attracting good fortune and prosperity. When we burn cloves or use clove oil in diffusers, we're releasing aromatic compounds into the air that can stimulate the brain's limbic system, the part responsible for emotions, memories, and arousal. By affecting this system, the scent of cloves can evoke feelings of positivity and well-being, creating a harmonious and energetically balanced environment. And when we feel good, we're more likely to take actions that lead to success and prosperity. The power of 3. Let's talk about why we're specifically using 3 cloves in these rituals. In numerology, the number 3 is considered a powerful number that symbolizes creativity, growth, and abundance. By using 3 cloves, we're harnessing the energy of this number to amplify the clove's inherent properties. The famous inventor Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." By using 3 cloves, we're tapping into this numerical energy to amplify the clove's inherent properties. It's a way to align our intentions with the universal energies of prosperity and abundance. The ritual, attracting abundance with cloves. Now that we understand the historical and scientific background of cloves, let's get to the good stuff, the rituals. This practice is designed to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Remember, the power of this ritual lies not just in the cloves themselves, but in the intention and energy you bring to it. Here's what you'll need. 3 high-quality organic cloves. A small red cloth bag. A coin or banknote. A snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. A clear glass. Clean water. 1. The plant ritual. For this, you'll need 3 cloves and a snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is known for its hardy nature and air-purifying qualities, making it perfect for this ritual. Plant the 3 cloves in the soil of the snake plant and place it at the entrance of your home or office. The entrance is a critical point for energy flow in your space. By placing the plant here, you're inviting protection and prosperity into your life. 2. The safe ritual. This one's super simple. Take 3 cloves and place them in the area where you store your money, whether it's a safe, a jar, a drawer, or a box. Cloves are known to offer protection and enhance the energy of wealth. By placing them where you keep your savings, you're creating a potent energy field that supports financial growth. 3. The abundance charm. For this ritual, we'll create a portable charm that you can carry with you. Get a small red cloth bag. Red symbolizes energy, power, and prosperity. Add a coin or banknote, and then add your 3 cloves. As you add each clove, say, "I am abundance." Close the bag tightly and carry it with you in your purse, wallet, or pocket. This little bag becomes a charm that continually attracts wealth, protection, and prosperity into your life. 4. The water ritual. This one's a bit different, but equally powerful. Take a clear glass and fill it with clean water. Drop 3 cloves into the water, saying, "I am money" for the first clove, "I am love" for the second clove, and "I am health" for the third clove. Place this glass at the entrance of your home or office. This ritual covers what we might call the master areas of life: health, wealth, and love. Choosing and preparing your cloves. Before you rush off to try these rituals, let's talk about how to choose and prepare your cloves. Not all cloves are created equal, and the quality can significantly influence the effectiveness of your rituals. The effectiveness of these rituals can be enhanced by choosing the right cloves and preparing them properly. When selecting cloves for spiritual use, opt for high-quality organic cloves. These are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, ensuring they're free from harmful chemicals that could interfere with their natural energies. Look for cloves that are plump, whole, and have a rich brown color with a slightly reddish hue. They should be free from mold, discoloration, and cracks. The best cloves will have their heads intact, as the head contains most of the essential oils and consequently the potent properties we seek for spiritual practices. The aroma of good quality cloves should be strong and spicy, indicating high levels of eugenol. Once you've selected your cloves, it's important to cleanse them to remove any residual energies they may have picked up during harvesting, processing, and handling. There are several methods to cleanse your cloves. Water cleansing. Briefly rinse the cloves under cold running water while visualizing any negative energies being washed away. After rinsing, spread the cloves out on a clean cloth or paper towel and let them air dry completely. Salt cleansing. Place the cloves in a bowl of sea salt for a few hours. Salt is a powerful cleansing agent that can absorb and neutralize negative energies. After cleansing, it's time to energize the cloves by charging them with your intentions. Hold the cloves in your hands, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize a bright, glowing light surrounding the cloves, filling them with positive energy and your specific intentions for wealth and prosperity. You can also say a prayer or affirmation, such as "I charge these cloves with the energy of abundance and success." The importance of placement. Where you place your cloves in your home is crucial to maximizing their potential to attract wealth and prosperity. According to various spiritual and feng shui principles, certain locations can significantly influence the effectiveness of your cloves in drawing positive energy and abundance. One of the most powerful spots is the wealth corner of your home. In feng shui, this is typically located in the southeast part of your home. To find your wealth corner, stand at the entrance of your house and identify the farthest left corner. This spot is believed to be the area where the energy of prosperity naturally accumulates. Another effective spot is near your front door. The entrance to your home is considered the mouth of qi, the point where energy enters and flows throughout your space. By placing cloves near the front door, you're inviting positive energy and prosperity to enter your home. Your home office or the area where you manage your finances is another strategic place to position cloves. This space is directly related to your financial activities and decisions. Placing cloves here can enhance clarity, focus, and productivity, thereby supporting your efforts to achieve financial success. The kitchen is also considered a powerful place for cloves. In many cultures, the kitchen is the heart of the home, where nourishment and sustenance are prepared, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. By placing cloves in your kitchen, you're enhancing the energy of abundance in this vital area. Last is in the living room. The living room is often a space for social interactions and celebrations. Placing cloves here can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that fosters good relationships and positive energy flow. The Mindfulness Connection. Here's where things get really interesting. While these rituals can be powerful, they work best when combined with mindfulness practices. In Buddhism, mindfulness is the key to cultivating a life of abundance. By being fully present in each moment, we can align our thoughts and emotions with positive energy. Mindfulness practices such as mindful breathing, walking meditation, and gratitude journaling can significantly shift our energy. When we focus on the present moment, we reduce stress and clear our minds of negativity. This state of calm and clarity allows us to connect with the frequency of abundance. Remember, everything is interconnected and possesses its own unique energy. This energy, much like a magnet, attracts similar frequencies. By harmonizing your thoughts and emotions with the energy of abundance, you naturally draw more of it into your life. Cultivating a mindset of positivity and gratitude is essential. Negative emotions such as fear, doubt, and jealousy can disrupt this frequency. These feelings create a barrier, preventing the flow of positive energy. By maintaining a high frequency that resonates with abundance, you're inviting wealth and prosperity into your life. Integrating Buddhist teachings. In Buddhism, the path to abundance is not just about material wealth but also spiritual enrichment. The teachings offer profound insights into living a life of balance, harmony, and contentment. One key teaching is the importance of generosity, known as dana. By cultivating a spirit of generosity and sharing our wealth with others, we create positive karma and contribute to the well-being of all beings. Generosity isn't just about giving material possessions, it's also about sharing our time, knowledge, and compassion. Another fundamental concept is the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is the antidote to feelings of lack and scarcity. By appreciating the blessings in our lives, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and attract more positive experiences. Even in challenging times, there's always something to be grateful for. Let's take a moment to reflect on the profound insights we've uncovered. These practices offer more than just a way to attract material wealth, they provide a pathway to deeper spiritual fulfillment and contentment. By aligning ourselves with the energy of abundance and prosperity, we not only enhance our own lives but also contribute positively to the world around us. Remember, it's not just about the rituals themselves but the intention and energy we bring to them. Whether it's planting cloves for protection and prosperity, infusing our finances with positive energy, or carrying an abundance charm with us wherever we go, each practice is a reminder of our innate connection to the abundance of the universe. As you embark on this journey, approach it with an open mind and heart. Be patient and consistent with your practices. Remember that true abundance comes not just from accumulating wealth, but from living a life of purpose, gratitude, and generosity. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of cloves, abundance, and spiritual practices. May these teachings serve as a guiding light on your path to prosperity and fulfillment. Remember, the universe is abundant, and you are worthy of receiving its blessings. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into mindful living and ancient wisdom. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these practices, so feel free to share in the comments below. See you tomorrow.